Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best a quarter-inch headphones is probably one of the most sought-after audio accessories for musicians, audio engineers, and serious music lovers who demand superior sound quality and durability. In this video, we will explore the top contenders in the market, examining their features, performance, and overall value to help you find the perfect pair to elevate your listening experience. Number 5. OneOdio Pro 10 Headphones. Experience exceptional audio quality with the OneOdio Pro 10. They're designed for comfort and performance, perfect for any audio enthusiast. These headphones boast 50mm drivers and neodymium magnets, delivering powerful bass, clear vocals, and crisp highs for a balanced sound. Enjoy every note with incredible clarity. The soft ear cups and adjustable headband provide long-lasting comfort, even during extended listening sessions. They're designed to stay comfortable, no matter how long you wear them. The 90-degree swiveling ear cups allow for convenient single-ear monitoring, ideal for DJing or mixing. Easily monitor your audio without removing the headphones. They work with virtually any device with a 3.5mm or 6.35mm jack. Plus, the shared audio port lets you easily share your audio with a friend. What we like. It boasts powerful bass and exceptional comfort. The single-side monitoring feature is a game-changer for DJs and mixers. If you're a DJ or music producer needing superior sound and comfort during long sessions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The cable management in-out is a cool feature. They're comfortable with good flexibility. Comes with 2 cable options of acceptable quality and a nice storage bag. Super comfortable, squishy ear cuffs and a padded headband make good news for long periods of use. Sound quality is really nice. It has hefty bass, and the clarity to hear the vocals of most music with relative ease. Not super tinny, not super muddy. The cushion going over your ears is very soft and similar to memory foam. It adjusts to fit almost any shape head, and the adjustments go way beyond borders. The sounds are crystal clear and distinguishable. I can hear the vocals and different instruments with clarity: drum, bass, keys, and strings. Number 4. OneOdio A71 Studio Headphones. Experience the rich, detailed audio of the OneOdio A71. Its powerful bass and clear highs will transform your listening experience. These headphones are designed for ultimate comfort. The plush ear cups and adjustable headband ensure a perfect fit, even during long listening sessions. It comes with both 3.5mm and 6.35mm jacks, eliminating the need for adapters. Connect it to your computer, mixer, or any device with ease. The 90-degree swiveling ear cups allow for convenient single-ear monitoring. Perfect for musicians, DJs, and audio engineers. They are durable and reliable, built to withstand daily use. Enjoy years of exceptional audio performance. Upgrade your audio experience today with the OneOdio A71. They are the perfect headphones for music lovers, professionals, and anyone who demands superior sound quality. What we like. These headphones deliver incredibly clear sound and are designed for ultimate comfort. The included dual jacks eliminate the need for adapters. If you need a versatile pair of headphones for various devices without the hassle of adapters, this is your ideal choice. What people say. The build quality is solid. Good for DJing because both cups can be rotated out so you can cue up and hear what's going on in the room. I have used it regularly for a month and it's comfortable for long listening sessions. They are solidly built and should last. For this price point, I think they are excellent and recommend highly. The OneOdio A71 high-res studio recording headphones deliver excellent sound quality, making them perfect for everything from casual listening to professional mixing and monitoring. The audio is clear and well-balanced, with deep bass and crisp highs, which makes music, podcasts, and studio work a pleasure. The SharePort feature is a unique and practical addition, allowing me to share audio with another pair of headphones without needing a splitter, making it ideal for collaborative listening sessions. Number 3. Numark HF125 DJ Headphones. These headphones are designed for the professional DJ. They're ultra-portable and provide superior sound quality. It features 7 adjustable positions to suit your mixing style. The lightweight design ensures all-day comfort. Enjoy long sets without discomfort thanks to the padded headband and ear cups. Stay focused on your mix. It comes with a 6-foot cord and adapters, ensuring compatibility with virtually any DJ mixer. Connect and play. The tangle-resistant cord keeps things simple. Get set up quickly and easily and focus on your performance. Experience extended response and superior isolation with its 40mm drivers and closed-back design. Hear every detail. What we like. They are incredibly lightweight and comfortable, making them perfect for DJs on the go. Setup is a breeze. If you are a mobile DJ prioritizing portability and ease of use, then this is for you. What people say. Light and comfy, I hardly know they're there. The sound is top quality. If you need a solid set of great-sounding headphones, for doing studio work, or for some casual listening, I don't see how you can go wrong with these. They sound very crisp and clean, and reasonably rich, even when using no equalizer settings to assist them. This pair of headphones goes really well with my Numark Party Makes DJ Live. Super high-quality headphones for the money, would definitely buy again. Number 2. Yamaha RH50A headphones. Experience exceptional audio quality with these professional headphones. They're designed to deliver impressive bass and clear treble, perfect for discerning listeners. These headphones boast professional quality elements. Enjoy rich, detailed sound for all your music. The closed-ear design effectively reduces outside noise. Immerse yourself in your music, wherever you are. With a thickly padded, collapsible headband and coiled cord, it provides lasting comfort during extended use and easy portability. It utilizes the latest technology and ergonomics. They are suitable for various musical applications, from casual listening to professional studio work. These headphones have a frequency response of 16 Hz to 20 kHz, 100 ohms impedance, and 103 dB MW sensitivity. They come with an 8-foot coiled cord, a 1/8 plug, and a 1/4 adapter. What we like. These headphones offer impressive bass and clear treble, perfect for studio use. The noise-reducing design and durable build ensure long-lasting performance. If you're a studio musician seeking professional quality sound and comfort, then look no further. What people say. The Yamaha RH50A headphones have a great sound quality and clarity is 100% durable and easy on the ears. The quality of the sound makes me doubt sometimes that the sound is coming through a headset, but rather from the piano itself. The plug is of sturdy construction and not likely to break or crack. The sound quality is excellent, I haven't heard my own playing this well in years. Number 1. JLab Neon Folding Headphones. Enjoy uninterrupted music with its tangle-free cord. It also features an inline mic for calls and easy track control. These headphones are designed for portability. Their lightweight design and foldable ear cups make them perfect travel companions. Experience all-day comfort with the plush ear cups and adjustable headband. They're designed to fit perfectly and stay comfortable during extended use. Manage your audio and calls effortlessly. Use the onboard controls to adjust volume, skip tracks, and answer calls without touching your phone. We're confident you'll love them. Purchase includes a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. These headphones feature a tangle-free cord and incredibly comfortable design. The convenient controls let you manage your music and calls easily. If you value convenience and comfort in your everyday listening, these are perfect for you. What people say. The cord also has a mute button, which is nice if you want to be just a smidgen rude but not entirely rude to anyone who dares talk to you while you've got your tunes, your games, or your work. These headphones are simple like the Sony's, have the same sort of design, but the cord is much shorter. If you're the type that likes good sound, these really can't be beat for what they are, smaller, lighter in weight, and comfortable, with enough boom-boom bass that your lobes vibrate and not so pitchy on the treble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.